Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We also want to welcome you to this well-maintained two-story home which consists of master bedroom ensuite with bathroom and walk-in closet and three other additional bedrooms and bathroom. All bedrooms are fitted with closets. There is an indoor laundry and helper's quarters. The upper floor is equipped with a patio for a great family evening, filled with board games or just hanging and sharing with each other. The ground floor has an enclosed garage and also has two patios for additional family relaxation. The land area of this house is approximately 92,728 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 58 million or US $376,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.